So let's see if we can test this out. One of the things I want to do is I want to have the enemy spawner spawn enemies from the networking. So in order to do that, I need to change this script a little bit. Yeah, I'll start with this script. So let's see. I don't want to do this because this method here is going to get called from the network manager now. So that's where this to do networking comes in. So network manager. We want to use this JSON class here that we'll be passing in. So I can take this out and so we don't need to do this anymore because we'll have that GUID that the server created for us. So let me redo this. This will now be network manager dot user JSON enemy JSON and enemies JSON dot enemies. And we're gonna have to make some changes here. So this will be enemy JSON dot position 0, like how we did in the network manager earlier. 1, 2. I'll copy that. Well, we'll just copy this part here. Quaternion dot Euler. Swap these out with rotation. And this one will be the enemy JSON dot name. Yeah, I think that's almost what we want. This will be enemy JSON dot health. They might have been damaged. So yeah, that should do it. So now we need to call this from the network manager. So let's switch back over here to on enemies and work on that one. Enemies JSON is equal to, we have that handy method to create the class from the string. That's what we're doing here. Enemy spawner es equals get component enemy spawner. And this should work when we connect the game. Let's try to test this stuff out. So, okay, I made a mistake here. Let me switch back to the code and see what. 141. Yeah, this should be plus plus. There shouldn't be a dot there. That's on the next line. Okay. Hmm. Oh, yeah. So we need to have the button call the network manager. Um, so let's look at the join game button, and on click will do stuff. So I think I can do this, and then should be able to call the join game. So that should fix that. And then just gonna switch back over here to review the join game. So you start the coroutine. Over here, we do a player connect, and we do a play. Okay, let's see what happens. So we joined, and then we can see over here, yeah, so we connected, and then we did the play. So that looks correct to me. But we also should be sending the messages with it. So let's, okay, so we got this, we did that. We should be doing this. Okay, so we receive play. And you should be doing emit, okay, unknown emit enemies, I just didn't see it. We should have some enemies. Why is that having issues? Enemy spawn point. So we have player spawn points. Enemy spawn. Okay, we don't have any enemy spawn points. That would be an issue. Okay. Why don't we have any enemy spawn points? We should have 4 enemy spawn points. Let's just Um, yeah, I mean we have them there. Hmm. So yeah, we have those there, but they're not actually getting passed for some reason. Enemy spawn points. You should be there. I mean, obviously you're there here. So enemy spawn points. Don't know. So weird. I'm gonna have to debug this. Yeah, I'll get back.